Hello and welcome to Vancko Hall version 2.8. This video will guide you to helpful tabs with informational resources that will support you in your e-learning experience. Let's start by taking a look at some of the tabs. So we have the Home tab, which is really helpful if you're navigating through Vancko Hall and you want to return back to the home page. You can just always click the Home tab to return back to the home page. Now let's take a look at the My Vancko Hall tab. If you hover over that, you'll have a drop-down menu where you can access the My Course homepage link or the My Profile link. The My Course homepage link provides access to courses that you may be enrolled in, or if you are assigned as an instructor or as a manager, you'll have all those courses in one area for you to access. You can also click on My Profile to edit information about your profile. Now let's take a look at the Links tab. The Links tab offers helpful links that will support you in your e-learning experience. We have a link to the library, there's a link to the SUNY Delhi syllabi, a link to the student email, all tutoring services, faculty and staff email, Vancko web, bookstore, and registrar. Now let's take a look at the Help tab. If I hover over the Help tab, I can access the student orientation course, I can submit a support ticket, I can access the Delhi Tech Help Desk, I can access all tutoring services, and I can access Moodle Basics course for faculty. There's also a tab to access the Faculty Lounge. You can also go to the Resources block and click on Faculty Lounge as well to access the Faculty Lounge. The Faculty Lounge offers information about e-learning methods and tools such as instructional design principles to design courses. There's information about Web 2.0 and discussion forums to connect with your colleagues. There's so much more in there, and I do encourage all faculty to access the Faculty Lounge as there is so much helpful information to support you with the e-learning experience. And for nursing, there is a nursing tab, and we have the BSN Student Resources, the Dual Degree Student Resources, the MSN Student Resources, and the BSN MSN Writing Tutor. We also have a tab that links back to Vancko Hall 2.6 for any instructors that need to access courses from Vancko Hall 2.6. Be sure to check out the site news section to find out about updates pertaining to Vancko Hall. You can hide your blocks or dock your blocks to create more space on the screen. Click on the Hide button to hide a block, or you can dock a block by clicking the Dock button. If you would like to undock a block, simply go to the left side of the screen, hover over the block, and then go to the Undock Block button. And now you can see the block has been undocked and moved to the right side of the screen. Be sure to check out the Accessibility block where you can decrease text size, increase text size, change the background, and then save settings. You can return to the original settings by clicking on the Reset Text Size button. You can also click on the R button, which resets the background. Go to the Search Courses bar to search for any course. Just type in a keyword and click the magnifying glass icon to search for your course. This concludes the introduction of Vancko Hall 2.8. If you have any questions, come by the Callis Center for Teaching and Learning located on the 3rd floor of Bush Hall, or submit a help desk ticket. Thanks for watching.